Today I'm going to make a demo video about the comparison between Microsoft Project and Tom's Planner in the scope and time management. I will start with Microsoft Project. This software did not included in Microsoft Office Basic package. You need to buy it separately, but in this demo video I'm using the trial version. Let's say this is your project name. After that, you need to list down all the tasks or scope that you want to be included in your project. All those that I selected is going to be under the game project. So I will click the indent task icon to put all the tasks that I selected under the project name. This is how it will look like after we use the indentation. Let's say these 3 tasks will be under implementation. We will do things like we do just now. Use auto schedule or manual schedule. Auto schedule is the planner that will automatically fill up the user a day duration for when to start date of the task and the finish date of the task. If the user need to change any date for when to finish the task, they have to change the duration, not the finish date. While the manual schedule is when the user need to manually fill out everything, which is duration and in Tom's Planner, the task schedule need to be done manually by the user. The user can manually choose the start date and the finish date for the task. For Microsoft Project, in order to create the predecessor, you need to link all the tasks from the start to finish. Predecessor is used to calculate the duration of manually scheduled tasks. Note that when the task gets switched to be automatically scheduled, the start and finish value might change based on predecessor relationship, the project start date or other schedule factor. The duration value, however, will be preserved. There is no predecessor in this planner, so the tasks will not link with each other. The next point is dependencies. For Microsoft Project, when you link tasks, you create scheduling relationship between the tasks. These task relationships are called dependencies, as in the start of this task is dependent upon the completion of a prior task. When you create dependencies, also called links, project can automatically adjust the scheduling of linked tasks as changes occurs in your plan. Creating dependencies by linking tasks is crucial to getting the full benefit of the project scheduling engine. Compared to Tom's Planner for dependencies, this planner is using manually dependencies, which is it does not have an option to add automatically updating dependencies to your schedule, as you might know in project management application. This way of working dependencies keep the interface easy to use, save time when setting up a schedule, and when updating a schedule, it will keep you actively involved in all the consequences of your changes. The next point is dependencies chart. For Microsoft Project, since this planner will adjust automatically all the linked tasks if there is one changes in any task, this leads to rather complex chart and interface, and creating these dependencies is quite tricky and can confuse the user of the project schedule. Compared to Tom's Planner, for this dependencies chart, since the user need to change and manage everything manually, this leads to updating their planning is easy without losing the chart clear look. This is done by selecting multiple time blocks and icons at once. You can do this by keeping the Shift key pressed when you click the time block and icon, or by dragging your mouse over the grid. After selecting multiple time blocks and icons, they are temporarily linked and you can drag them all at once to a different position. Point is task status icon. For Microsoft Project, there's no additional icon for task status. Compared to Tom's Planner, this planner have additional icon for task status. This way, it making the user aware of their task status, such as if the task still in progress or is the task already finished. You can filter the schedule on text, icon, date range, and colors. The next point is Gantt chart. For Microsoft project, this planner have the Gantt chart summary for each planning schedule for proper and formal presentation. Compared to Tom's planner, the planner itself is a Gantt chart. The next point is milestone tracking. For Microsoft project, when planning a project, aside from laying out the tasks that take you from the beginning to end, you are inevitably going to want to mark key dates along the way. One easy way to do this is through the use of a diamond-shaped symbol in your Gantt chart, which is the milestone. Compared to Tom's planner, since Tom's planner did not have dependency enabled, milestone tracking cannot have been done. Recurring tasks. For Microsoft project, you can set up a task that will happen every couple of days or months. Project can create it as recurring task, so you only have to set it once. Compared to Tom's planner, you have to keep in mind to write down a same task that will happen every couple of days or months. Easy to say, you need to done it annually. The last point for this comparison is time tracking. For Microsoft project enable to track the time spent on project tasks and the progresses of those tasks toward completion. Compared to Tom's planner only enables to count the day each project task. That's all for the comparison between Microsoft project and Tom's planner in scope and time management. Thank you.